Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna fix a super common issue that a lot of Mac users run into. This Apple ID has not yet been used with the App Store. If you're seeing this message, don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. First, when you see the error message, just click on the review button. Step 2. A new window will pop up. Here, choose your country or region, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Step 3. Next, click on Continue to move to the next step. Step 4. Now on the payment screen, under Payment Method, select None. Step 5. Time to fill out your billing address. Start with your full name, then type in your address. Enter your city name, postal code, and your phone number including the area code. Step 6. Once you've entered everything, scroll down and hit Continue. And that's it. Your Apple ID is now fully set up and you can go ahead and download any app you want from the App Store on your Mac. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.